It can be really frustrating when you want to play your Xbox and you run into an error code. In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Xbox error 102. I'm going to show you a few different things to try to help you get your Xbox back up and running again. The first method is the easiest one to try, and that's to do a soft reset. This is where you turn off your Xbox and you turn it back on. The second method is what we call a hard reset. You turn off your Xbox, then you unplug the Xbox from the wall outlet and you wait 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient here, wait the whole 60 seconds and then plug it back in. If your Xbox is working, great. If not, let's move on to the next method. Find your router or your modem that is giving you Wi-Fi and unplug that for 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. You might have to wait a few minutes for it to connect and get back online, but when it does, check your Xbox then. If that doesn't work, then let's move on to the last method. We are going to do a factory reset of your Xbox, which means that you'll have to log back in with all of your credentials, but it will be an important troubleshooting method. First, press the Xbox button X on your controller to open the guide. Then select Profile and System, then go to Settings, then go to System, then Console Info. You're going to select Reset Console. Now on the Reset Your Console screen, you'll see three different options. One will say Reset and Remove Everything. The second will say Reset and Keep My Games and Apps. And the third is Cancel. I would suggest doing the Reset and Keep Games and Apps first. If that doesn't fix the problem, then try the Reset and Remove Everything. This option resets a console to factory settings. Well, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, click a thumbs up on this. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.